Hello everyone, and welcome. We hear the term carbon dioxide all the time, especially in news about our planet. But what exactly is it? Today, we're going to break down this invisible gas, exploring what it is, where it comes from, and why it's both a friend and a foe to life on Earth. Let's start with the basics. Carbon dioxide, or CO2 for short, is a simple but important molecule. It's made of one carbon atom bonded with two oxygen atoms. It's a colorless and odorless gas, which means you can't see it or smell it. It's a natural and essential part of the air all around us, making up a small fraction of our atmosphere. So, where does it come from naturally? You're actually making it right now. Every time you breathe out, you release carbon dioxide. All animals do the same. Plants also release some CO2 at night. Other natural sources include volcanoes erupting, the oceans releasing dissolved CO2, and even the process of dead plants and animals decomposing in the soil. It's all part of a natural system called the carbon cycle. This gas is absolutely vital for life. Think about plants. They need carbon dioxide to survive. Through a process called photosynthesis, plants use sunlight, water, and CO2 to create their own food. A wonderful byproduct of this process is oxygen, the very gas we need to breathe. So, in a way, CO2 helps create the air we depend on. Carbon dioxide also acts like a natural blanket for our planet. As a greenhouse gas, it traps some of the sun's heat, keeping Earth warm enough for us to live. Without any CO2, our world would be a frozen, icy place. But here's where the problem begins. While a thin blanket is good, a thick blanket can make things too hot. For thousands of years, the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere was in a delicate balance. However, human activities have started adding huge amounts of extra CO2. When we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas to power our cars, homes, and factories, we release massive quantities of it. Another major issue is deforestation. Trees are like giant sponges for CO2. When we cut down forests, we lose our ability to absorb the excess carbon from the air. This extra CO2 is making our planet's blanket much thicker, trapping too much heat. This is what we call global warming, and it leads to climate change, causing more extreme weather, rising sea levels, and disrupting ecosystems around the globe. So, carbon dioxide is a fascinating and complex gas. It's essential for life, but too much of it is disrupting our planet's climate. Understanding it is the first step toward finding solutions. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to support the channel. Your support allows us to create more educational content just like this. See you in the next video.